So let's talk about some of the characteristics which the goods and service tax have. Okay. So first is that it is a comprehensive indirect tax. It has removed a lot of central and state tax and collapsed into one tax, which is GST, right? This is GST can only be collected by a registered taxpayer. That means he should have a GST number, then only he can collect GST. Otherwise, he cannot collect the GST. So if the seller is not registered, he cannot charge GST on their bills and cannot collect it from the customer or from the purchaser. GST is a value added tax. Okay. This tax is on value addition which has been done. Let's say, for example, the GST taxation is 12% and the cost of manufacturing is 100 rupees. So the manufacturer sells the goods at 100 rupees to the wholesaler. Okay. So he will charge GST on 100 rupees, right? But the wholesaler then in turn sells the same goods at 110 rupees, right? So the additional tax would be charged on the value addition of 10 rupees, right? Because he will get the input tax credit. All these things we will see with an example with numbers associated, so it will be easier for you. Okay. Now, GST is also a destination based tax. That means it is not collected based on which state the production is done, but where the goods are getting consumed, right? Let's say you are a manufacturer in Mumbai and you sell the goods in Indore in Madhya Pradesh, right? So it will charge IGST because it's a consumption based tax, right? On the other hand, if you are a manufacturer in Mumbai and sells to Pune, then it will be charged as CGST, SGST because the consumption destination is still Maharashtra, right? Then input tax credit is allowed in this. So whatever tax you are collecting is allowed as an adjustment to output tax, right? This also we will see in the practicals. And there is no cascading effect of GST, right? It avoids the double taxation. And GST collected is a liability and not an income. So whenever you are collecting the GST from the customer, you can use that GST collection in two ways only. One, to pay to the government, or use it as an input tax credit and adjust it against your output tax, right? All these features or characteristics which GST have, we will be doing it through practical examples in the sessions to come, and this will surely become more understandable to you, right? So let's continue in the next session.